Hello guys, welcome back Mid City. Today's topic accommodation. Accommodation is the mechanism by which the eye changes the reflective power by altering the shape of the lens in order to focus object at variable distance. Far point, near point, range and amplitude of accommodation. Far point, the farthest distance at which an object can be seen clear is called the far point. Near point, when the maximum accommodation in this force the nearest point which the eye can see clearly is called the near point. Range of accommodation, the distance between the far point and the near point is called the range of accommodation. Amplitude of the accommodation, the difference between the diopter power needed to focus at nearest point and the focus at the far point is called the amplitude of accommodation. Mechanism of accommodation. Accommodation is the process by which one can focus the object at different distance in a field to have a clear vision. Its mechanism varies from species to species. Just for interest, example for a few species are given. Some fishes retract their lens to focus the distant object. Snakes and frogs have a mechanism to move the lens forward the near vision. Horses by moving their head till the retina so that different region lies at appropriate distance behind the lens. In human, the process of accommodation is achieved by changes in the shape of the lens. Stimulus for accommodation. There is no a single important stimulus to accommodation. All of the following factors must be response in eliciting the appropriate accommodative response. Blur image, apparent size and distance of the object, chromatic aberration, oscillation of accommodation, scanning movement of the eye. It has reported that the internal accommodative adjustment is based on trial and error. Reaction time for accommodation. Reaction time refers to the time lapse between the presentation of accommodation stimulus and occurs of the accommodative response. Some of the observation made regarding reaction time as follows. Average reaction time for far to near accommodation is 0.64 second. Average reaction time for near to far accommodation is 0.56 second. Reaction time for accommodation is considerably larger than that for the contraction of the pupil to light, 0.26 to 0.30 second. Reaction time of converge response is about 0.20 second. Ocular changes in accommodation. Changes in zonules, changes in lens, changes in curvature of the lens surface, anterior pole, axial thickness, changes in the length of the capsule, lens sinks down, changes within the lens substance. Other changes, pupillary construction and converge of eye. Choroid is scattered forward, ora serrata moves forward. Age-related change in accommodation. An emmetropic eye, far point is infinitive and near point changes with age. 10 years old, near point 17 semi, 40 years 25 semi, 45 years 33 semi, 50 years 50 semi. Amplitude of accommodation, 10 years 14 diopter, 40 years 4 diopter, 45 years 3 diopter, 50 years 2 diopter. We actually keep the book at about 25 semi, so we can read comfortable up to the age of 40 years, and after that the near point reduced beyond the normal reading or working range. This considered of feeling near vision due to the related decrease in the amplitude of accommodation or increase in the near point is called presbyopia.